marked decrease in the number of attempted illegal border crossings. This is a greatly encouraging sign because it means that increasingly people who in the past would have crossed into our country illegally are being dissuaded from even trying to do so. They say that prevention is better than cure, and this past festive season, I think we have started to see signs of prevention. This is a function of the visible progress that is being made by the BMA and its partners in the border law enforcement area, as well as of our dedicated focus on deterrence through constant communication. During the period between the 10th of December 2025 and the 15th of January 2026, a total of 25,080 individuals were intercepted. Of these, 22,153 were undocumented persons with no valid travel or identification documents. A further 2,324 individuals were detected for overstaying, while 603 were found to be inadmissible due to invalid passports, fraudulent visas, or failure to comply with health requirements. BMA border guards participated in 531 joint law enforcement operations, which consisted of roadblocks and vehicle checking points. They further conducted 10,455 vehicle and foot patrols and raided about 8,282 hotspot areas within the border law enforcement area.